Alright, hello everybody, this is video 3 of the lesson 7. So we're on page 178, but we had to go back and fix some things because we made a lot of mistakes. So right now we're on step 8 or 9.
We're gonna go back to step 8, and we're gonna show you how we accomplished a lot of the things that we did on here. So it's okay that your trend isn't green or that you have step highlighted. We're gonna go back and redo all of this so you can see exactly how we altered this text. Okay.
Alright, so the first thing we do is select all the text except for the trend issue. Now what we did is make sure that it was Myriad Pro regular, and the font size was 22, the leading was 28, and the tracking was 0.
Font size is 22. Whoops, not 222. And then what is the leading?
28.
And then what is the tracking?
The 0. And deselect all caps, and we already have that deselected. And bold, yeah.
Okay.
Now on step 9, we're gonna only select the what's hot portion of the text.
Okay, I'm gonna hit enter to make sure those things are commit. And then now we need to select what's hot and
make it bold and 28 font size.
28. Okay.
Now repeat that same step for what's not.
So bold and 28. Okay.
Now we already have it done, but select the trend, select the word trend, and in the color swatches, the properties panel, make sure that you have a green color.
So it was originally white, and you're just gonna drag and select some kind of green color, and you can choose any kind of green color you want from here. And hit OK.
Now once you're done with that, save your work. Now we're going to be adding a rounded rectangle next. So select the rounded rectangle tool, and you probably want to zoom in for this part, but yeah.
Okay.
From the top above the L to the guide, make sure you drag a rectangle. And don't go past the guide. Now you want to make sure in the, is this properties?
Yes.
Make sure the width is 67.
Oh, we need to be in the properties panel right here. And the width here needs to be 67. So properties panel here, if it's not showing, go to Windows and then properties. But it is showing, so we're going to type 67. Okay.
Now, make sure, this part is difficult. Find the link together corner radius values icon, which is like a chain link.
Okay.
Now, click to deselect it.
Okay, it's deselected.
Then change the bottom left corner to 16 pixels.
So, is that your X value?
No. Right, scroll down.
Okay.
16 right there.
Oh, I see.
Now make sure the rest are 0.
So this should be 16. And should that be 0?
Yep.
And what is the bottom right hand corner? 0?
Yep.
And 0? Okay.
Yep. So, is it showing? And we forgot one step. Make sure to change the color of the rectangle to pastel, light orange yellow.
Okay. This pastel, orange yellow. Okay.
Yep. Now, drag it to the top.
Okay, so I'm going to click on
Oh,
that.
the corner's not there. Because it's supposed to be rounded at the left corner.
Huh.
Oh, I see. It's this one. That's the link together radius. Deselect that.
Oh, I see.
Now press 16. Now type 16.
I see.
So if you deselected another chain before, it's the one in the middle of all the 4 corners.
Yeah, this is the link you need to click and make sure that says 16000. And then see how we have a rounded edge right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're going for.
And drag it a bit to the top so it hits the edge.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Oh, all the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, choose select, deselect layers. Wait. Yeah, we're fine.
We have everything deselected. Okay.
Now, select the vertical type tool.
So here's your type tool. You're going to click and hold, and you're going to click that vertical type tool.
Now, press the shift key and click near the bottom of the rectangle you just created.
So I'm going to click right here.
Now type volume 9. Vol 9. V-O-L. Oh. Oh, just keep, yeah.
O-L
9.
9. Okay.
Now, make sure the fonts family is Myriad Pro. The font family is Myriad Pro. The font style is a light or narrow. Light condensed. Yeah, choose condensed.
Okay.
Now the font size is 15.
Okay.
The tracking's 10. Oh, is the text selected?
It is not selected. So we have to select it?
Yep.
Okay, Myriad Pro, and then this should
Condensed.
say condensed. And then font size is what?
15.
Okay.
Tracking 10.
10. Okay.
And the color black.
Should it be all caps?
Yes.
Okay, and should it be bold?
No.
Alright.
If you need to, you can use the move tool to center the text in the middle of the little rectangle.
Okay.
Now, save your work. And we're going to clean this image up a bit. Click the note to select it. Oh.
Click the what?
The note to select it. Where?
It's right here.
Oh, that.
Okay.
Then right click and choose delete note from the context menu.
So I right clicked with my mouse and I'm going to hit delete note. Okay.
Hide the guides.
So you're going to go to view and then on, you can hit clear guides. Okay.
No. Press Control. Control plus the semicolon.
Okay.
Then zoom out to get a nice look at your work.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if I have the zoom tool and I press and hold Alt, then you get the minus, and I can use my scroll on my mouse to zoom in and out. Okay? What's the next step?
Save your work.
Okay, so step 9 tells you to choose File, Save As, and then rename it 07 Flattened, and save. So make sure if you do this step, if you do step 9, you have to go to Save As so that you have 2 files, because when I grade, I check your layers to make sure your layers are correct. So in order to have your flattened file, you need to make sure you go to File, Save As, and then you have to rename your file, type 07 working, and then underscore, and flatten. Okay, flattened. And then click Save. So you'll have 2 files for your lesson 7 and hit OK. And then you're going to move on to step 10. And then step 10 tells you go to Layer and then Flatten Image. And then choose File, Save. So this time you only have to hit Save. And I believe we are finished with lesson 7, ready to grade on Friday. Thanks, guys, and thanks, Mawili, for helping us record. You did a great job. It's hard to record, but he did great. Thank you.